English vocabulary. Let's learn word family with at words. At words. At at. At words. At words includes cat. C-A-T cat. At cat. At cat. B-A-T bat. At bat. At bat. M-A-T mat. At mat. At mat. R-A-T rat. At rat. At rat. Rat. H-A-T head. At head. At head. H-A-T hat. Hat. Fat. F-A-T fat. At fat. At fat. Fat. P-A-T pat. At pat. At pat. S-A-T sat. At sat. At sat. C-H-A-T chat. At chat. At chat. Chat. F-L-A-T flat. At flat. At flat. At words. Let's repeat again. C-A-T cat. C-A-T cat. B-A-T bat. B-A-T bat. F-A-T fat. F-A-T fat. M-A-T mat. M-A-T mat. R-A-T rat. R-A-T rat. P-A-T pat. P-A-T pat. S-A-T sat. S-A-T sat. H-A-T hat. H-A-T hat. C-H-A-T chat. C-H-A-T chat. F-L-A-T flat. F-L-A-T flat. Cat. Bat. Flat. Mat. Wet. Pat. Set. Chat.